There's a place on Earth where ships vanish, planes disappear, and answers still missing. A place where navigation fails, where vessels vanish, and where no answers seem to surface. It's been called the Devil's Triangle, but the world knows it as the Bermuda Triangle. Welcome to Documentary Watcher. Today we dive deep into one of the most chilling maritime mysteries in human history. The Bermuda Triangle is not marked on any official map. There are no warning signs, no government-issued travel alerts. Yet this triangular region, connecting Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is infamous for one thing: disappearance. Covering about 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles depending on who you ask, this part of the Atlantic has been the center of more than 1,000 documented incidents, many of them without a trace, without a clue, and without closure. But when did this legend really begin? The myth of the Bermuda Triangle dates back to the mid-20th century. In 1950, a reporter named Edward Van Winkle Jones wrote about a series of strange vanishings in the Miami Herald. Later, in 1964, author Vincent Gaddis gave the triangle its name in Argosy magazine, cementing it into pop culture and mystery lore. But the truth is, sailors had spoken of oddities in these waters for centuries. Even Christopher Columbus, during his 1492 voyage, noted in his log that the compass behaved strangely and a great flame. Some of the most chilling mysteries in the Bermuda Triangle remain unsolved to this day. Let's explore a few. Flight 19, 1945. 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale on a routine training mission. The experienced pilot reported that his compass had failed. They became disoriented over the ocean and were never seen again. The Navy launched a rescue mission. The plane sent to find them, it disappeared too. 14 airmen gone, then 13 more. 27 lives vanished into the sea. USS Cyclops, 1918. A U.S. Navy cargo ship over 500 feet long, carrying 309 crew and passengers, the single largest non-combat loss of life in U.S. Navy history. No SOS, no wreckage, no survivors. President Woodrow Wilson said, "Only God and the sea know what happened to the great ship." The Witchcraft, 1967. A 23-foot luxury cabin cruiser left Miami with 2 men on board. They called the Coast Guard for minor assistance, claiming they were near a buoy and not in danger. When the Coast Guard arrived just 19 minutes later, the boat was gone. No debris, no oil slick, just silence. So what causes these disappearances? Let's break down the leading explanations. 1. Human error. Many experts say the simplest answer is the most likely. The Bermuda Triangle is heavily trafficked, and weather can change rapidly. Inexperienced pilots or navigators might easily get lost. 2. Compass variations. It's one of only a few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This can cause compass malfunctions and disorientation. 3. Rogue waves, gigantic, spontaneous waves up to 100 feet high, known as rogue waves, have been detected by satellites. These could easily capsize ships without a trace. 4. Methane gas hydrates. Some scientists believe sudden methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor could reduce water density and sink a ship in seconds. No buoyancy, no chance of survival. 5. The paranormal and speculative. Interestingly, the U.S. government doesn't officially recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a threat. The U.S. Coast Guard states that no more ships or planes disappear here than in any other heavily traveled part of the world. Authors and scientists like Lawrence David Cushy, in his book The Bermuda Triangle Mystery, Solved, argue that many stories are exaggerated, unverified, or simply wrong. So is it just a myth? Or is the truth being buried deeper than the wrecks?